Fast Track students, I just wanted to say hi and have a quick check-in with you for this lovely Friday. If you enjoyed the holiday yesterday, handing out candy most likely, that is awesome. I have a picture here of my kids, so you can see Ellie, Princess Jasmine, and Isaac, Darth Vader. And their friend came over as well, my son's friend, Forrest. So anyways, I just wanted to touch base with you, remind you that you do need to make sure that you are getting your assignments complete over the weekend. I will log on and grade first thing on Monday, and with that particular grade, that is what's going to determine whether or not you need to come in for hours. So if you, again, are at an A or a B, then you are good and you don't actually have to come in for any lab hours next week. Wouldn't that be nice? If not, then you will be required to. And in case you're wondering where I will actually be at Barry Goldwater High School on Tuesday from 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock, and I would love to see you there if you need the hours, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will talk to you later. Thanks so much.